One unique thing about the Journal Investigates is that our team is based outside Dublin. I'm here in the most northerly county, Donegal. One of our team members is in the most southerly county, Cork, and also in Northern Ireland. That means we can really focus on lifting the lid on how the whole of Ireland works, not just the capital. And that is evident since we launched in September. The 8 investigations we've published so far have all hit the airwaves, local and national. Our findings have been highlighted by politicians, and NGOs have called for change.
Our investigation has discovered numerous military health and safety issues in the months leading up to the explosion.
And today we can reveal how foxes, rabbits, badgers and hares are being sold as live bait by illegal hunting networks.
In the past 20 years, the loch has suffered a massive loss of marine life, most notable in the shallow reaches.
My investigation today uncovers that over 135,000 tonnes of CO2 was released from these backup and emergency generators in the past 5 years. That's enough to run roughly 33,000 cars for a year.
The document will also reveal how, despite those risks, some councils still continue to build and develop on our vulnerable coastlines.
We couldn't have done this without your support, as our investigative unit is funded by readers of the Journal. And we really want to continue delivering this type of impact into 2025. You can help by becoming a monthly supporter of the Journal by going to thejournal.ie/contribute. I really hope you had a lovely break and Happy New Year.